Very roomy interior. Got very good headspace. Let's get in. Let's start it. Second display here for the clock and some other information. Aftermarket Android unit. Climate control. With digital display. CVT gearbox with sports mode. The gears are clearly shown here on the second display. Foot brake. Traction control and auto stop, start stop function. Rear two doors are electronic, you can open and close them. The second display controls are up here on the steering wheel. It has cruise control, the typical Toyota cruise control lever. It has the vanity mirrors without the light. Decent glove box space. Has cup holders here and here. Has a small armrest. You got seat heaters here. And a parcel hook. With another cubby hole inside. Let's check out the lights and the engine bay. I'll turn on the lights first. The lever is here, and next to it is the fuel cap release lever. That's gonna be a bit confusing sometimes. Here, let's check out the hood. There's the 1KR 1-liter Toyota engine, non-hybrid. The headlamps on these are LEDs. These are the high beams and this is the low beam. The fog light in this is a LED as well, as is the daytime running light or the positional lamps. The tires are 14 inches, 165. The rear doors can be opened either from the remote or from the lock here. You can just pull it and it will close and open. Got a lot of leg space here in the back. It's very comfortable here. You got ample leg space and head space. You close it by just pulling the handle. You also got a small table sort of thing with 2 additional cup holders. Sorry, out of focus here. You go for the passenger side as well. 3 headrests. Let's go look at the boot. There's a small button here to release the boot. The Toyota tank comes with a spare wheel. You can lower the seats. Easily. Alright, that's it for our quick walkthrough of the Toyota tank. Thank you for watching.